Okay, let's eat.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Oh.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, yay! How
Hey,
are
how are
you
you
doing?
doing? Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo, and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years, and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making beef chow fun.
Yes.
Beef Chow Fun is a customer favorite and a favorite among children as the noodles are soft and easy to eat. If you're looking for something that you don't have to grill and you can also add to your arsenal of food for Independence Day, this is the dish. First, we will need Chinese broccoli, rice noodles, onion, garlic, beef, soy sauce, deluxe soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shao Hsing cooking wine, pepper, cornstarch, chicken flavoring, and oil. Alright, let's start on the prep. This will be for 2 orders of chow fun, so first we're going to mince up 3 cloves of garlic and chop up half an onion. Then for the Chinese broccoli, we'll just use a handful of them and then just use the top halves of them. And for the rice noodles, open up the pack and separate each noodle apart and then put it into a bowl. And finally the beef. Just chop them up at an angle and use the same marinade recipe as the Mongolian beef or the beef with black mushroom recipe, which I will link in the description below. Alright, now let's get to cooking. First, we're going to add some water to a pot or a wok and bring it up to a boil. Once it's at a boil, we're going to add a little bit of oil, a spoon of sugar, a dash of salt, a bit of chicken flavoring, and then we're going to add in our Chinese broccoli. You can cook this as long as you want depending on the level of crunchiness that you want it to be, and we're just going to boil this for about 2 minutes and then we're going to take it out. And once you're done cooking the Chinese broccoli, you can dump the water out and clean the wok. And once the wok is clean, add some oil to it and let the oil heat up a bit. Then you're going to add in half your rice noodles and then toss everything around until you see some color on it, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to place it out onto a plate. Then you're going to add some more oil back onto the wok and we're going to cook our beef in there. Once the oil is hot again, add in your beef and make sure each side is colored, and then add in your garlic and onions. Toss everything around for a bit and then add in a tiny dash of sugar, a dash of chicken flavoring, a few twists of pepper, 1 spoon of cooking wine, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of soy sauce, and then we're going to add a small bowl of water and let it cook. We're going to let it cook and simmer for about a minute, and then we're going to add in 1.5 spoons of deluxe soy sauce for color and then stir everything around. Then we're going to add in about 2 spoons of cornstarch and water mixture to thicken up the sauce. Once you see the sauce is thickened up, add in your Chinese broccoli and toss everything together and it's done. Pour it over your rice noodles and it's ready to serve and wow your guests. I hope you all enjoy!
Okay, let's eat.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Oh.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh. Hey, how
Hey, how
are
are
you
you
doing?
doing? Yeah. What's for dinner?
Beef Chow Fun. You want some?
Yeah.
Alright, let's eat.
go. Let's eat. Yes.
Wow, look at this. The beef.
Beef chow.
Oh, it's like rice noodles.
Yeah. Nice noodles and beef. I love rice noodles. And onion
Mm-hmm.
with a tiny sparkly.
Tiny broccoli's always delicious. Oh my god.
If you love Chow Fun, you'll love this. Beautiful beef texture mixed with a nice dash of Chinese broccoli.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's delicious.
Noodle. Nice noodle.
Yep. Alright, well, thank you everybody.
Thank you, everybody. Have a good one.
Um,
Take care.